What can snails tell us about who we are and where we come from?
We're learning about why sex is important.
Researchers at the University of Iowa are studying the DNA and habits of a special species of snail in order to better understand why some living things choose mates while others reproduce asexually by cloning their own DNA. These snails are special because they do both.
At the root of this big project, there's actually some really little critters. Most of the snails, like this little black dot I'm pointing to, are only 3 to 4 millimeters each.
It's brooding diploid against itself.
Researchers are building an entire genome for this species of snail. Think of a genome as a roadmap to all the hereditary information that defines the characteristics of an individual organism.
We're sequencing a bunch of different mitochondrial genomes and then analyzing whether asexuals or sexuals have more harmful mutations in them.
Though some members of the public have questioned the relevance of the project, Neiman says the discoveries her team is making have some significant implications.
We cannot predict the importance of basic science in the future.
Among numerous other findings, Neiman and her team recently discovered that female asexual snails may actually produce fertile male offspring. This is surprising because female asexuals, by definition, should only create replicas of themselves.
What we had presumed to be a completely impenetrable genetic barrier between sexuals and asexuals might actually be more porous than we thought.
Each discovery, like this one, carries along with it a host of new unanswered questions as Neiman and her students continue looking for answers to an age-old mystery. This all in hopes that these little snails hold some big answers about invasive species, genetics, disease, and why we reproduce the way we do. Melissa Dawkins, Daily Iowan TV.